Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, then take your first actionable steps. Create and activate a virtual environment, install requests or HTTPX, and export your API key as an environment variable. Next, write a minimal script that reads the API key from OS. Environ and performs a simple get to the API's health or status endpoint. This verifies connectivity and credentials quickly. Once done, you'll know the request format and receive a basic JSON response to inspect for required headers and tokens. Once your key validation passes, implement authenticated requests and payload handling. Build a function that attaches authorization, bearer KEY and content type, application/JSON headers, then serialize payloads with JSON. Dumps or HTTPX's JSON param. Add retries with exponential backoff for transient 5xx errors and parse response codes to branch logic. Raise for 4xx, retry on 5xx, return data on 200. Log request/response bodies minimally for debugging, but redact secrets before finish by validating responses and packaging your client for reuse. Define models with Pydantic or JSON schema to enforce types, then wrap calls in a client class that centralizes retries, timeouts, and rate limit awareness. Make sure to honor retry after headers. Add unit tests that mock endpoints and document expected inputs. If something breaks, first verify your API key and system clock. Mismatched timestamps or wrong key often cause auth failures. If rate limited, back off and queue requests. Once resolved, continue normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.